you're looking for a laptop power bank that's compact, that you can bring anywhere, I would suggest for you to get this Anker 25,000 mAh power bank. Bakit po kamo? On top po na laptop power bank na po siya dyan, meron po siya ditong retractable na Type-C. Pakawak po. Pwede po to mag-charge ng smartphones or iPhone 15 pataas. I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max here. Boom, charging. So I can charge my phone and my laptop at the same time. Currently we're at 21%. Kaganda po dito, kung laptop nyo is 65 watts pataas, kayang-kaya. Kasi kaya po nito maglabas ng 100 watts. As of the moment, 38 watts lang po ang kailangan ng laptop. And 11 to 20 watts lang po sa iPhone 15 Pro Max pataas. On top po ng dalawang integrated na Type-C, pwede rin po kayo magsaksak ng additional Type-C dito at USB port. Kung mapapansin nyo po, may silicone kasi binili ko na po yan aftermarket. Para safe po kasi sayang naman